baby Chelsea?
Sparkles on his face.
What's Candy doing to you, RJ?
Putting some sparkles on his face.
How's he like it?
He's putting some sparkles on his face and I'm blending it.
Oh, really? RJ, you okay?
He wants to just a lipstick on, but he wants to, I wish he could be a girl and he could still be named RJ.
Oh, yeah?
So, I'm just making him a girl because I don't really want him a girl. So, I'm trying to get him just like me. Long hair, but he's really actually cute. And some people have short hair. So, I really don't, but I just wish I did.
What are you doing? Blending it?
Blending.
RJ, what'd you do to your vanity?
I gave him that because it's my make